Give it, Tricky. Who's that from? Who's that from? Is Patchy gonna help? Give it. What's in there? In here. Should your mom help rip that off? Yeah. Here, let me help you. Yeah, I don't need your help. Let me help. What's in there? Give it. Give it. What is it? What's in there? You want that thing, huh? Give it. Give it. What else is in there? Give it. Is that a squeaker? Yay! You like that, huh? Yay! It's a new one. Yay! Give it. Tricky, but what else is in the bag? You don't care? Say, this is what I wanted? That's from your grandparents. Yeah. Look at what's in here. What's in here? Oh, what are these? What are these? Can you get them out of there? You need to help me get them out? Get up. Yeah, help me. You gotta get it. Someone's gotta hold the camera. There we go. What do you think? Do you get balls? That's good, huh? I'm gonna do something. Look at this one. They're good bouncy balls. Alright, one more. One more. What's this? There, I got a ball. I got my squeaky. It's in here, Tricky. It's in here. Yeah. You got it? What is it? What is it? Should we unwrap it?